Good morning, my friends. Today we are going to have a new class. And look, here I have many animals. Do you like animals? Yes, very good. I love animals. And today we are going to study about animals. Let's start. Remember, today we are in class number 5. Let's start. Our competence for this class is speaking, and our learning goal is to name pets and farm animals. Do you want to see the animals? Yes, very good. The first animal says meow. So, what animal is it? Excellent. This is everybody repeat after me. Cat. Very good, my friend. Let's continue. The second animal says, wow, wow. What animal is it? Aha! It is a dog. Everybody repeat after me. Dog. Very good, my friend. Let's continue. The next animal gives us milk and says moo, moo. What is it? It's a cow. It's a cow. Everybody repeat after me. Cow. Very good. Let's continue. An animal that says quack, 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 quack. What is that? Excellent. That is duck. Very good, my friend. Let's continue. The other animal is goat. Everybody repeat after me. Goat. Very good. Excellent. And the next animal is hen. Everybody repeat after me. Hen. Very good. Excellent. Let's continue. The next animal is horse. Horse. Everybody repeat after me one more time. Horse. Excellent, my friends. You are doing a good job. Now let's continue with an animal that says ba, ba. What is that? Yes, it's a sheep. It's a sheep. Everybody repeat after me. Sheep. Good job. And now our last animal is frog. Repeat after me. Frog. Excellent, my friends. You did a good job. Very good. That's all for today. See you in the class. Bye-bye.